Sparky Sparks here. Oh my gosh, I just got back from Miami, and I have to tell you, that myth that blondes have more fun, I'm thinking no. So this time flying home, I decided to wear Raquel Welch, and this is Goddess. I have Goddess in 3 colors, 3 different shades. This one is the shade RL3129, if you're looking. And let me just put her on for you. This is going to be great. So again, for our new wig wearers, with a wig, we want to look for the lace front, and it's right here. And you can see how sheer it is. Now I wear Goddess a lot. I love this style, especially for summer because it's not too much on my neck. It kind of falls about right here. You'll see in a minute. Tag goes in the back. And the nice thing about Raquel Welch's wigs is on the back, on the tag, there is a color designation. So you can, if you're not sure what color is this, you can always refer to the tag on Raquel's wigs, which is a feature I really like. All right, so thinking blondes have more fun, and I usually travel lately in the summertime as a blonde. I thought, let's mix it up on my way home. I had a long layover, and if you caught my Instagram live, you'll see I was in the airport. But let's put her on, forehead first. And let's adjust her. Again, this is Raquel Welch, and this is the style Goddess. Oh my gosh, I love this. So I have to tell you, I got so many compliments on this color from TSA when I went through security. As you know, when you fly, you have to go through security. And one of the first things that happened when I first flew in my wig is, I know they make you take your hat off if you're wearing a hat through security. So I was panicked that they would make me take my wig off. No, they don't. Your wig doesn't set off any alarms. But the smiles, I don't know if it's because I feel more vibrant and smiling more, or if it's because of the colors in the wig, but all the way through security, through getting my little snack at the airport, just walking everywhere, everyone was saying, oh, love you, love your hair, love the color of your hair. And that's, you know, if you're looking for some compliments, or you want an ego boost, or you want to feel amazing, I would challenge you to wear a red wig. I'm thinking redheads have the secret power. But this is what I wore coming home from Miami. See, you can see it's not too heavy on my neck. I like the little curls. I'd love to know your thoughts. Let me show you the back. Excuse my squeaky chair, but this is the back. We'll go this way too. She's kind of swingy and a little face floppy, our new language, but great hairline. So I could wear her back. You know, I could pin her back if I wanted to. Just great. And I get so many compliments on this color. So nice. So if you haven't tried a redhead yet, I'd say give it a try, right? It only took seconds to put on. Hope that's helpful. Have a great day. Cheers.